So hello friends. So today we'll see how to create a React application on a Mac machine. So before starting with React, so first we need to install Node.js, and for that we need the Brew. So let's try to install Brew on this system. So for that we can do a simple Google search for Brew. And we go to brew.sh, and here we can see one command. So just copy that command and then open the terminal. And just simply paste that command here. It may ask you for the sudo access, so here you can just enter your password and then automatically it will install the Brew. So it may take some while to install Brew, so be patient. So once we have installed the Brew, now we'll try to install the Node.js. So for that we write the command brew install node. Okay, it has just got installed, so it's not added to our path yet. So we'll first add it to our path. So for making the Brew work, we need to run this command evaluate, then $/opt/homebrew /brew shell environment, and then when you press enter, the Brew gets added to our path. So now let's try to install the node. So brew install node, and we'll see that it will start downloading the Node.js code. So once we install the node, so after the node is installed, we'll check whether it's installed or not. So you can check it by node -v, and we see that we have the version 19.7. So now we'll go to our desktop and we'll try to create a folder here. So I will go to my folder called React, and here for creating a React application we'll run the command npx create React app and then my React app and press enter. It will ask you a few questions. You can press yes. And it will start creating a new React application for you. So here you can see it is installing the package for React, React DOM, React scripts with the help of a CRA template. It will start fetching some files, so just wait for it. So once we have created the React app, we can quickly verify it. You can press ls. So here you can see it created a folder for me, my React app. So let's go inside that. So cd my React app. So again we do ls. So you can see there is a public SRC folder, there are node modules, package log.json and the package.json. So now let's open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So now we'll try to open the Visual Studio Code. So let's open it. And we'll try to open our new folder. So go to File and Open Folder. And I'll open my application here. So now here, let's go through these files. So by default, we have a readme.md file, which gives you the link to test your application. So like we have the starting command, then the link to open the application, then for running the test. So we have some basic commands listed here in the read.md file. Then we have the package.json. So here we have all the libraries that are being used by this application with their exact versions as well. Then we can see the package log.json. So once you install the packages, it creates a log file. So this means that these all packages are being installed in the node modules folder. And this node modules folder contains all the packages that are being installed. Then if you go to public folder, it contains a simple index.html and a few logo files. So that we'll see when we run the application. And the SRC folder contains the main files that we are required to check or do the changes. So here we just go to app.js, and here we can see something written here. So now let's not do anything here. We'll just try to run our application. So for that, we go to terminal and start a new terminal here. And here npm start. So this command will open up the browser with our application running. So now we'll just try to do some changes in our application. So as we see that our application is running on port number 3000. So now let's try to do some changes here. So move to the div section and then remove whatever is there inside that. So now once you remove everything, you will see that the logo part gets disabled. So it's better to remove that as well. And instead here, we just simply put a simple h1 tag and put a message. This is my first React application. So you can see here that I didn't change anything. I didn't run the application again. I just simply changed the header. I did stop the application. But now when I go to the browser, I can see that my application is up and running. So here there is one more question, that why it is coming in the center. It should come from the left hand side, right? So let's see why it is happening like that. So again we go to our page app.js, and here we can see it's importing the CSS from app.css. So let's go to the app.css, and here you can see the text align is center. So let's change it to left. So now you see my text is aligned to the left. So this is how we can create a simple React application and also do some basic changes to it. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.